Well, yeah, I like working at Talan Products a lot.
I like working at Talan Products because they're putting me through school.
I absolutely love working here at Talan Products. I've been here for 8 years and I feel like this is like my family. It's my home away from home.
I like working at Talan Products.
I love working at Talan Products.
Yes, I love working at Talan Products.
I like working at Talan Products because every day is a different experience, especially working in the maintenance department.
Yeah, when I first started, I didn't know anything about manufacturing, about stamping. I actually thought the dye, which is the tool that goes in the machine, was an actual color. That's how much knowledge I had on it, which was none. But now, I run it all. I came in without any experience, and now I'm a trainer in management, so that speaks for what this company's about.
Yeah, so we have an apprenticeship program, and we could definitely train you to grow here at Talan Products.
Have I been growing and built up my skill here in Talan Product? I've been here for like 8 years going on, and I have built my skills, yes.
I actually started as an operator and then went through school, and now I'm an apprentice for the maintenance electrician. It's a real good place to work at. It has a lot of opportunities to move forward and be better for yourself. Same way I did.
Yes, there is. And now, like I said again, it's all dependent upon how hard you're willing to work, how much effort you're willing to put into those things, and what you're willing to learn. They will work with you here.
There are opportunities for growth at Talan Products. A lot of people start from the entry-level positions and have managed to advance themselves throughout the company.
Every day there's an opportunity to grow at Talan Products. I went from experienced press operator here at Talan Products to production supervisor.
The pay and the benefits are excellent at Talan Products.
Oh yeah, the benefits are great, the pay is good also.
Talent is excellent for opportunity and growth, and the wages are through the roof. I believe we beat out the competitors when it comes to paying our employees.
Oh yeah, I'm paid well. I've been here for 15 years, and I do plan on retiring from this place.
Most definitely, yeah. That's why I'm here still, because the pay is better than other places.
I actually I love the benefits. We get bonuses. My actual hourly pay is great. I can't complain about that.
I would say if you wanted to work for a company that has longevity, that you can make a good living and take care of your family, come to Talan Products.
Definitely, I definitely would. I definitely would recommend that you come here. Not only that you come in here, these doors and everything, and you excel.
I will recommend people to work here in Talan Products. It's a nice environment to work in and a good opportunity for them.
I would absolutely recommend other people to come and get a job here at Talan Products.
I welcome everyone to come work at Talan Products. It's a great company.